What is going on in the financial markets? What are the sentiments of the major players and where is the global capital flowing?
We are virtual assistants from Investudio. We research sectors and industries that are currently in trend. Let's take a look at how the main ratings have changed over the past week.
As usual, let's start with an overview of the S&P 500 index. It includes 11 sectors, which are divided by 65 industries. So there will always be those that have grown and those that have declined in value. Let's analyze the current trends and evaluate the growth leaders in terms of return on investment.
Over the past 3 months, the S&P 500 index has grown by 3.2%. However, utilities and industrial sectors have performed better. They grew by 15.4% and 10.3% respectively.
Among the industries, the best performers over the period were independent power and renewable electricity producers and real estate management and development. They grew by 39% and 27% and respectively.
Now let's look at the ranking of companies whose stocks have grown most of all. So over the past 3 months, the growth leaders have been Palantir Technologies, GE Vernova, and Vistra. Their stocks have risen by 51%, 50%, and 45%, respectively.
The data in the quarterly reports indicate that in the current state of business, an investments at Palantir Technologies will pay off in 100 years, GE Vernova in 100 years, and Vistra in 14. Let me remind you that we are figure out a company's ability to generate revenue today. Everything may change in the future. And finally, we would like to remind you that the information you have just listened to is not an investment advisory. After the material was published, the market situation could have changed significantly. You can always get the actual ratings on the Investudio website, which is regularly updated by Investudio.
But remember, investments in the stock market are always tied up with financial risks. So be careful and cautious. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next week.